Ladies and gentlemen!
Hi guys, good day everyone. Welcome to my channel. It's Waray Illustre.
Yes.
So sa lahat ng hindi pa nagsusubscribe, for everyone that did not yet subscribe to my channel, please click the red button down below and then follow me on my Facebook, Waray Illustre.
Yes.
So into this video, we will gonna be reacting on TNT Boys. Actually, they're singing, I am not telling you, I'm not going. So, it's created by the world's best.
Yes.
So, actually, TNT Boys, for those who didn't know, TNT Boys ay nagsimula sila sa Tawag ng Tanghalan.
In Showtime, yes.
Correct, correct, best friend. Because, there has been singing individual.
Yes. Naglalaban-laban sila.
Correct, naglalaban-laban sila. Tapos, and then, pasok sila sa semi-finals, then winners, it's a boy actually.
Yeah.
And then the TNT Boys, ginawa silang grupo.
Pinag-isipan ng mga judges na bumuo na lang sila na as a team. Yes.
Correct. If I'm not mistaken, siguro ang kanilang manager ay si Vice Ganda,
Yes,
if I'm not
Vice
mistaken.
Ganda.
So,
Famous.
ngayon, they are been famous. Nag-guest sila sa different TV shows like Steve Harvey Show, tapos sa mga big shots, sa mga big shots. Ayan.
At ngayon, nasa international na sila. Oh my gosh.
Okay, the world's best. So, without any further ado, let's get into it and let's get reacting.
Yes.
Reacting. So,
Suspense.
ready. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, ang
girly.
Ang ganda pala ng stage, no?
Oh, yes, the lights.
Siya ba yung pinaka-mataas yung boses?
Ewan ko, let's see. Mga buhok niya, babaiha. Wow.
Wow.
Wow, powerful
voice. Alam mo, ang ganda-ganda talaga ng projection ng voice nila, the quality. But it's a no for me.
Telling you. Oh, yes! Wow.
Mapapanganga ka talang talaga.
Wala na akong masabi.
Ang ganda.
Wow, ang taas!
Gwapo niya, no?
Oh, yung isa. Cute! Tara yung kate. Wow, palaban si Ma'am! Ay, we feel more wow!
Ang galing! Powerful performance.
Powerful performance, really. I think, guys, they really are good singers. Most especially, ang idol ko talaga doon yung nag-whistle.
Kasi tatlo naman talaga sila. They deserve in the second round.
Bagay talaga. Swak sila maging grupo. And they are really good singers. May mararating talaga sila.
Tama!
Ikaw, ano masasabi mo?
Ang masasabi ko, ang ganda-ganda ng kanilang performance.
Akala ko
Pinag-isipan talaga. Ano ba, performance na pa yung sinabi?
Akala ko pinag-isipan ko na hagard ako.
No! Lolog-log. May mga bagay talaga na nahuhulog.
Thank you guys for watching. At sa lahat pa po nang hindi nagsusubscribe, please subscribe the red button down below. And follow me on my Facebook, What I Illustrate, and
Jen.
Leave
Leave
me
me
apart.
apart.
Thank you guys. See you soon.